Makeup remover is a very important part of a makeup artist's life. As you all know, I have to do makeup every day, and for me a good makeup remover is really very important. I only trust Bioderma. Bioderma is one of the best makeup remover till the date I got. I'm using it since 2 years. I don't use any other makeup remover. For me it's a very important part of the regime, because after makeup cleansing is must, and it has to make sure your skin is properly clean. I'll tell you why I like this product is because Bioderma is a water-based cleanser. It's not a micellar water, not an oil-based cleanser. As if I have oily skin, also no matter whatever your skin type, when you use oil-based cleansers and micellar water, so oil-based is purely oil, micellar water, it is a mixture of both oil and water. So what it does, when you remove your makeup, it clogs your pores. That's why I don't use oil-based and micellar water. I use water-based cleanser because it doesn't clog your pores. So no matter what your skin type is, you should go for the water-based cleanser. So in front of you, I'm going to remove my makeup so that you can see how it works. So let me just show you. So I'm removing my lashes. So I'm taking this Bioderma and a cotton pad, and I'm going to remove my makeup. So I take a good amount and see. Can you see just one swipe? I know it's quite expensive for some of you. It's really expensive, I totally agree. If it's expensive to you, you can use the Garnier one. Why I don't like the Garnier one is because it takes a lot of time to remove your makeup. It doesn't remove your makeup that instant as this does. Can you see that? Just one swipe and you are good to go. I have tried this. Can you see? Everything is gone. So I have tried this Garnier one as well, but what I don't like about it is it takes a lot of time to remove makeup. Also, when you are doing makeup every day, my skin is using the Garnier one, I have to really rub it very hard, and in this you have to be very gentle and just swipe it through your face and then you're good to go. So it's very easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to remove it. So that's why I like it, but I'm totally in love with it. I'm using it since 2 years and there is no other makeup remover I use. See, everything comes off so easily. I don't have to rub my face. I don't have to make a lot of effort. And taking some more, and that will be enough just to double cleanse and make sure that there is nothing on my face. So the reason I double cleanse always, no matter even if I'm doing water-based cleanser, because even after you see there is nothing on your face, you should double cleanse so that to make sure that there is literally nothing on your face. You can see my skin is sweepy clean. It just hardly took me a minute or two, or maybe some more because I'm filming. 1 or 2 minutes and my makeup is off, no matter how heavy it is. So this is the best cleanser and you should also go for this. If you're a makeup artist or someone who used to do makeup every day, you should use this. It's dermatologically tested and it's good for your skin. Also it is water based, so you should try it. You should give it a try. It's expensive, I know, but it's worth the money. So do try it and let me know in the comments below. If you are someone who is already using it and loves it like I do comment it down below. And if you have any question, inquiry, also you can comment in the comment section. I'll reply you guys. I'll reply every one of you, no matter whatever your comment is. So don't hesitate and comment below. I hope this review is helpful for you guys. Gain some informative knowledge from it. And thank you guys for watching, and thank you for always loving and supporting me. Your love and support means a lot. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I am uploading every day, so you don't have to miss that out, right? Bye. So if you're interested in the look which I did and which I just removed, I'll share it in the description box. You guys can go and check that out.